desert's iron jaws rife with dread. Missile trails scorch the sky, cities painted in red. Drones hum above war's tune, whispers of the dead. The nations play chess with lives, pawns in a game widespread.
Screams echo in the blast wave, fates a burning fire. Flares like the night's face.
Silhouettes marched in the streets, their silence is dire. Ideologies clash in the ghostly gunfire.
Ideologies clash.
Iron faiths melt away humanity's funeral pyre. Race for the storm of the century, cries under thunderous roars. In the cradle of civilization, now where blood forever pours.
Fatigue's green. Intensely. Orienting. We'll reach words and dreams and live. In the ruins, press go under, swallowed in the strife. Legions rise, fall like the word in the ledger of life. Sand stained with history's blood, ancient land so torn. Dreams of peace are buried in mud as new hatred's born. Fires ignite the sky, hope is a distant flame. Veils all propaganda, all just fuel for the game.
Whispers of martyrs fading in the sands. Ashes rise with the cries through the warring lands. Rubble rains and sorrow stains the once hallowed grounds. While the vultures circle, death's the only sound.
A horizon ablaze, testament to rage. All our hearts beat on in history's cage. Neverland where the sun sears.
Behold the sirens of the end times, a symphony of destruction, a ballad for the end we near. Skyline aflame, a horizon obscene. The globe spins to war like a deadly machine. Metallic horses charge, engines scream, for the world's in a dance, with the dark it would seem.